How do I stop Excel from checking the validity of hyperlinks before it opens them? If you open an Excel spreadsheet containing external hyperlinks, when you click the link, Excel will check that the link is valid, i.e. doesn't return a 404 error, before actually opening it in the browser. This is utterly maddening for me, and I cannot for the life of me figure out why the developers could have ever fathomed that this would be a remotely good idea. The side effect is that hyperlinks take a longer time to open, and or cannot be opened at all if Excel's connection to your network is blocked, e.g. by a firewall. I have tried disabling all the options in the Trust Center that relate to links, but nothing has helped. How can I turn off link checking in Excel forever?
A registry setting can change this behavior and force Excel to simply launch URLs in the default browser. There could be security implications, so be sure to read the following article carefully and decide if it's the right thing for you to do. This URL. I ran the Fix It For Me application after several unsuccessful attempts to manually make the registry edits. Now my hyperlinks launch in the default browser, without the pre-check, regardless if it's clicked by the user, or programmatically launched in Vaba.
In Excel 2003, the for shall execute equals 1 regedit solution does not work. My workaround is calling the links directly from the shell using a macro. The below macro is right now creating 2 types of links from the current row depending on which column I click. This can of course be changed to check if there is a link in the cell you're selecting. Also, selecting with right mouse button works in case there is an active link in the cell.
For more people struggling, that I made a small solution for this. It has also a hosted variant.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.